The issue, the document contains images without a description, will appear in your Blackboard Ally accessibility report if you have uploaded a document into Blackboard that contains images without alternative text. What this means is that there is an image that lacks a piece of description that is coded into the document that would let a screen reader know instead of an image what that image is and would be able to read out that description to the user. The way that you fix this issue depends on the type of document that you have uploaded. For example, this is a Word document, and Blackboard has identified that this image in the lower right hand corner does not have a description. To fix this, I would access or download the original document. I can click Review, check accessibility, and Microsoft Word will identify that there is an image missing alternative text. In here, I will enter the description of this text, and whenever I've done that, I will upload it into Blackboard to resolve that issue. PowerPoint has a similar feature where if I click Review and I check for accessibility, it will pull up under Media and Illustrations the images in the document that are missing alt text. I will do the same there, where I'll enter a description or mark it as decorative, and then upload the fixed document. Finally, PDFs have a similar function, where if we prepare them for accessibility, check for accessibility, and I start checking, it will identify underneath alternate text figures that need alt text. I can right-click this, select Fix, and give my images a description, save and close to provide them alternative text. I would then upload the remediated document into Blackboard to fix the issue.